Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will help you access and answer the questionnaire sent to you by your caseworker. You should have received an email with login credentials to access what we call the client portal. Please locate that email, which will take you to the site, and input those login credentials. You are now inside the client portal. You will immediately see items in your inbox. Let us click on it. You will now see a list of questionnaires to choose from. Let us go into one by clicking on the Edit button to the left. You are now inside the questionnaire. To answer the questions, simply click on the editable boxes in the right and input your answer. You will go one by one answering the questions as best as you can. Let us now focus on the black toolbar up top with different functions you can apply. The first button is the Save button. This button allows you to save and come back at any time to finish the questionnaire. Once completing the questionnaire, you will go to the next button, which is the Submit to Caseworker button. Once you've hit the Submit button, you will no longer have access to enter information as it has now been sent to the person handling your case. The next button is a Print button, in case you want to print this. The next couple buttons are to change the page. You can go to the first page of the questionnaire, the previous page, the next page, and the last page. You can also click on the page number, insert a specific page number, and when you hit enter, we'll be taken to that page. The next couple buttons are zoom buttons, which will make the questionnaire appear larger or smaller. The last setting on the questionnaire is the language. The software offers more than 10 languages to choose from, and when selecting the desired language, both the instructions and the questions transfer to that language. Once you are done filling out this questionnaire, you will hit the Submit button. If you have other questionnaires to answer, proceed to repeat the steps mentioned on this video. This concludes our video on answering questionnaires in the client portal. Hit the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out and be informed of new features like this one. Thank you for watching.